Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have two Walgreens transactions for you guys. These deals started today, which is March 13th, and they are good up until Saturday, March 19th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to this channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the deals. Okay guys, so as I stated, I did two transactions because in my first transaction, I wanted to see if a paper spin booster would print for me, but then the cashier let me know that they were out of Catalina paper. So because of that, I did not get my register reward for one of the deals that I did, but it's okay. I've already submitted my receipt to Catalina and I should be receiving that register reward whenever they send it off. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with my first transaction. So in my first transaction, the only thing I got was just the Scott paper towels and the Scott Comfort Plus tissue. So those are regularly priced at Walgreens for $5. This week they are buy one, get one 50% off. So one will ring up at $5. The second one will ring up half off at $2.50. That will bring your total to $7.50. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Scott paper towels. And then we also have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Scott tissue. So $7.50 minus the $2 in digital coupons, that will bring your total down to $5.50 for both. So let me go ahead and show you guys my receipts. So there is both of them. One rung up at $5. The second one rung up half off at $2.50. Both of my digital coupons came off, subtotal $5.50. I did use $5 in Walgreens cash, paid the 50 cents out of pocket, and I only got back 2 cents. And then I also submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards and I got back like 575 points, which is like 57 cents. So that is everything that I got in my first transaction, you guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on over to my second transaction. So in my second transaction, I was working with a digital booster, get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. For the most part, all of my digital coupons came off, all of my digital coupons came off, but with the renews it was supposed to take off $1.78 total, but it only took off 89 cents. And I knew that that was going to happen because that usually happens every time with the renews it. I also had 3 printable coupons for the Softsoap, but none of those scanned for me at all. And I actually purchased those coupons from an internet printable coupon fairy on Instagram, and they just did not scan. They didn't scan for me last week either, but I just tried them again this week and they didn't scan. So yeah, that's that. So because of that, my total was like $2.25 higher than what it was supposed to be. But at the end of the day, the transaction ended up working out just fine. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to start with is going to be both of these Tresemme. So I got a Tresemme shampoo and a Tresemme conditioner. And this week at Walgreens, they are priced at 2 for $10. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 register reward. So you're going to purchase 2 at $10. We do have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So with using that digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $5. And then because you purchased 2, you will receive back a $4 register reward, bringing your total down to just $1 or 50 cents each. So y'all, this is a really good deal to do this week at Walgreens, a great stock up deal. So if you are brand loyal to Tresemme, this is the week to stock up. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Colgate 360 toothbrushes, and these are priced this week at Walgreens for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus that $4 digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $3.98. And because you purchased 2, you will receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash, making both of these toothbrushes completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then next up, I went ahead and I also grabbed 2 of the Colgate Total toothpaste. And these are priced at $3.99 this week at Walgreens as well. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. With using that digital coupon, it's going to bring your total down to $3.98. And because you purchased 2, you will receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash, making both of these toothpaste completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then same thing with the Colgate mouthwash. I went ahead and I purchased 2 of these. And these are priced at Walgreens this week as well for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We do have a $4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. With using that digital coupon, that's going to bring your total down to $3.98. And because you purchased 2, you will receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash, making both of these completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. And then with the Renewzits are priced at Walgreens this week for 89 cents. We have a $1.78 off of 2 digital coupons. So you're going to purchase, well, technically it's the buy 4, get 2 free coupon. So you're going to purchase 6 at 89 cents, and that's going to bring your total to $5.34. Then that $1.78 digital coupon should come off, bringing your total down to $3.56 for all 6, or it'll make each one just 59 cents. Now keep in mind, again, as I mentioned earlier, the coupon will probably only take off 89 cents for you if you do it in store, but if you do it online, it will take off the full $1.78. So in my case, it only took off 89 cents. But I did contact customer service about that. And then lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed 4 of these Softsoap body washes. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase, well, I purchased 4 because I thought that all of my coupons were going to scan, but they did not. But I purchased 4 at $3.99, and that brought my total to $15.96. The only coupon that came off for me was my $1 digital coupon. A total of $3.25 should have come off, but because those paper coupons didn't scan, only $1 came off for me. So $15.96 minus a $1 digital coupon brought my total down to $14.96. And since I purchased 4, for every 2 that you buy, you would get back $5 in Walgreens cash. I purchased 4, so I got a total of $10 back in Walgreens cash. So $14.96 minus the $10 in Walgreens cash that I got back, that brought my total down to just $4.96 for all 4, or it makes each one $1.24. But of course, I did not pay that. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. So let me go ahead and just show you all my receipt really quick. So there's both Treseme's at $5, Colgate mouthwash at $3.99, so $7.98. Both of my Colgate toothpaste at $3.99, so $7.98. All 4 Softsoap at $3.99, so $15.96. Both of my Colgate toothbrushes at $3.99. And then here are all 6 of the Renewzits. So as you can see, my $5 digital came off of the Tresemme. All 3 of my $4 digitals came off for the Colgate. And then my $1 digital for the Softsoap. And as you can see, for the Renewzit, it only took off 89 cents. So my subtotal came out to be $36.35. I did use $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. And then when you look down here, I got back a total of $33.86. So again, my total is $36.35, and I got back $33.86. Now, of that $33.86, $12 came from the Colgate products, $4 for the toothbrush, $4 for the toothpaste, and $4 for the mouthwash. $10 came from the Softsoap. For every 2 that you buy, you receive $5. I purchased 4, so I got back $10 for the Softsoap. And then I got back my $10 for my digital booster. Get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. And then the extra $1.86 came from the Walgreens everyday points. So that is a total of $33.86. So again, my subtotal was $36.35. I got back $33.86. That brought my grand total down to $2.49. And then my register reward, of course, did not print because they were out of paper, but I've already submitted my receipt to the Catalina, and I should be receiving my registry reward here soon. Every time I submit a form, I always get my registry rewards, so I'm going to go ahead and include that $4 into this transaction. So $2.49 minus the $4 that I got back from my Tresemme, that makes this transaction completely free, plus $1.51 moneymaker. But not only that, I checked IBOTTA, and for Walgreens, I did have a rebates for 25 cents when I scanned my receipt. So I did get back 25 cents from IBOTTA. So that makes the transaction a $1.76 moneymaker. But then I submitted my receipts to Fetch Rewards, and I got back a total of $1.53 for this transaction only. And for my first transaction with the Scott paper towels, I got back 57 cents. But for this transaction only, I got back $1.53. So that makes this transaction a $3.29 moneymaker. But not only that, I contacted customer service and let them know about the Renews It coupon only taking off 89 cents instead of $1.78. So instead of her crediting my account with just 89 cents, she just went ahead and credited me $1. So I got back that $1 from customer service, making this transaction completely free, plus a $4.29 money. But in my first transaction for my Scott paper towel and Scott toilet paper, the total was $5.50 after my coupons. So since in this transaction it was completely free plus a $4.29 moneymaker, I'm just going to apply that $4.29 to my first transaction. So $5.50 minus the $4.29 from this transaction, that brought the total down to just $1.21 for everything that you see here. But I have to factor in that 57 cents that I got back from Fetch Rewards because all of the cash back counts. So I am factoring in everything. So 57 cents back from Fetch Rewards, $1.21 minus that 57 cents brings my grand total down to just 64 cents for all of these items, you guys, which is a fantastic deal. I am so happy with today's transactions, and I hope that you guys are happy with these deals as well. So if you all enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button if you are not already subscribed to my channel, along with the notification bell so that you will be notified each week when I upload new videos. Also, you guys, go ahead and submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. If you want to sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Also, don't forget to submit your receipts to IBOTTA because I got back 25 cents just for scanning my receipt. So again, all of the cash back counts. So if you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that linked in the description box below as well, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So that is going to be it. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, you guys. My Instagram is linked in the description box below. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.